Honestly, like, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya lalampasan. She was really present eh. Talagang medyo wasak na wasak ako. No? Right now, nandun ako sa process na hindi ko ma-pinpoint ano ba talaga yung nawawala sa akin. Pero alam ko malaki. Sometimes, like, it really hits you.
Mainit na usapin ngayon ng SOGI bill. What do you want them to know about it?
I'm seeing stuff like, napaka-entitled namin, di ba?
May mga
You see that,
ganun.
napaka-entitled. Nabibigyan na nga kayo ng karapatan. Sorry, anong karapatan yung sinasabi nyo? I have been building a life with my wife. Sana, kahit paano, hindi rin kami pigilan to exercise our rights to protect the family that we have built. Yun lang naman yun eh.